We're undergoing a massive hiring push right now as we ramp up production. So machine installations and prove-out activities are well underway. We are making parts, we are making a small number of pumps, and that's only going to increase in the very near future.
And Edwards here is a great launching pad for anybody who wants to get involved in the trades, or if you're even a mid-career level and you want to make a change, or you want to experience a different kind of culture that is really focused on your development and success.
So I started my junior year in high school at Orleans Niagara BOCES for the Advanced Manufacturing Engineering course. The program instructor, Mr. Cercone, has been amazing. He taught us how to use manual machines, CNC machines, how to program them, and soft skills you need to enter the workforce. It was amazing. It allowed me to know what I wanted to do and to get already set up in my life before I even turned 18.
There'll be many direct labor positions, which will be mostly CNC machinists and assembly and test technicians. However, there are several other job openings we have right now for manufacturing engineering, supply chain roles, buyers and sourcing engineers, planning roles.
It is amazing to work here. It's really changed my life for the positive. I never thought I'd be this close to home and have so much opportunity. It is one of the best cultures I've been a part of.
So somebody looking for an engineering position or a machinist position, this is a great place to be. I advertise to these kids that this is something that you could actually really consider to support a family, to have a good life, and to go home happy, and knowing that you've done something to contribute. You know, that's why I'm glad that this is here in Genesee County.